Thinking about migrating your journal to OJS from WordPress, Drupal, or Bepress? This video walks you through what a real migration involves. Bepress was bought out and shut down as an independent platform. WordPress and Drupal were never built for peer review. And if you are trying to get into DOAJ or Scopus on either of those platforms, you are fighting an uphill battle you do not need to fight. Let's start with why so many editors make this move. WordPress and Drupal are fine for blogs and general websites, but they do not have a real peer review workflow built in. Metadata support is limited, which hurts your chances with indexing services. Managing issues and volumes gets messy fast. Bepress is a different story. It was acquired, and the platform as journals knew it is being phased out. If you are still on it, migration is not really optional anymore. It is something you have to plan for. OJS was built specifically for academic journals. Peer review, issue management, DOAJ and Scopus integration, DOI support, all of it is native. That is the whole reason migration is worth the effort. Before you touch anything, you need to know exactly what you have. That means going through your current platform and documenting every article, how many you have, which ones have complete metadata, and which ones are missing authors or abstracts. You also need to look at your issues and volumes, your author list, your files, and your current URL structure. This last part matters more than people expect. If other websites or Google have your old article links indexed, those links need to keep working after migration. Or you lose traffic and citations. Most editors skip this audit step and jump straight into moving files. That is usually where things start going wrong. Once you know what you have, the next step is mapping it. Your current platform stores things differently than OJS does. A WordPress post title becomes an OJS article title. Post content becomes an abstract or full text. Categories become journal sections. Custom fields need to be matched to OJS metadata fields. Bepress has its own version of this mapping, with items, series, and metadata fields that all need to line up with OJS equivalents. This sounds simple on paper. In practice, this is where data gets lost. An author field that does not map correctly, a keyword that gets dropped, a publication date that imports in the wrong format. Any of these can leave you with articles that look fine, but are missing what indexing services actually need to find them. Here is something a lot of editors do not think about until it is too late. Your existing article URLs are probably indexed by Google and linked from other websites. If those URLs change during migration and you do not redirect them, every one of those links turns into a dead page. The fix involves setting up permanent redirects from your old URLs to your new OJS ones, or configuring your server so the URL structure stays the same. This is not something you do in the OJS dashboard. It requires server-level configuration, usually on Apache or Nginx. Getting it wrong can mean losing years of search rankings overnight. Let me go through the mistakes I see most often. Not backing up the old platform before migrating. Once you delete it, whatever you missed is gone for good. Breaking URLs without setting up redirects, which kills your SEO and frustrates readers who hit a dead link. Losing metadata during the transfer, so articles technically exist in OJS, but authors, keywords, or abstracts are missing. And running both platforms live at the same time, which search engines can flag as duplicate content. Every one of these is avoidable if you know what to check for. But most editors do not find out until after something has already gone wrong. If you have more than 100 articles, if your data is inconsistent across formats, or if you cannot afford to lose a single citation or URL, this is not really a do-it-yourself project anymore. A proper migration means verifying every article, every piece of metadata, and every redirect, one by one, before you consider the job done. At OJS Guru, we have migrated more than 100 journals to OJS with zero data loss. If your journal is ready to move to OJS, go to ojsguru.com, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.